let's get a little drive in for you guys. Don't have a GoPro at the moment, so this is the best as we're gonna get. You guys will be able to hear a little bit, not too much. It is a TDI, so they're not too loud. But we'll do a little tiny drive here. It's got a little bit of torque, not foreigner, but enough to get up to speed. So we can do the speed limit. The wind noise out of here. What do you guys think about TDIs? You like them? You want one? You don't know what you think about them? Ask. I'll answer any question I can try. Not every question will be answered fully because I'm learning as I go as well. This ain't my first TDI, but hopefully it will be the last and we'll get to keep it for a while. Doesn't drive too bad. It drove worse before. I had to do ball joint on the driver's side. Hoping fixing the passenger ball joint will straighten her up a bit. But we'll see how she goes. If you guys want to see how-to videos as well, I can do that. But all up to you guys. So here we are, coming up to a stop sign. Gonna be a lot of traffic, or we should be able to go. Right up to the speed limit like nothing. And as you can see, they're pretty good on fuel. This one gets, on its happy day, 1,200 to a tank. Depends how you're driving it, really. But I like going for drives like these. I need to get myself a GoPro because I do a lot of shit that you guys would like to see. So, but drive smoothly. It's got cruise if you want it, you know. All the little options that 03s came with. But she gets the job done. What do you guys want to keep seeing? Do you want me to go to Cars and Coffees? I do go to a few of those. Do you want me to record truck meets? I can take the truck meets, or I can even take the car and record for you guys. All up to you. What you guys want to see is what I will record. So I'm not gonna record. I'm gonna try not record videos you don't want to see, because what's the point in it, really? But you know, if you want to see truck meets or tractor pulls or Cars and Coffee, anything about beyond those lines, or car meets, I'll go to them. Or do you just want to see me and my buddies hanging out? We all just go park up somewhere, usually sit there and talk. I can show you guys everybody's build, how it's going so far. So I got couple buddies with some sick trucks built so far. I'm hoping to get somewhere soon with mine. Still driving around. But man, people think it's weird recording yourself, especially starting out YouTube. People just look at you all types of ways. See if we can get some turbo noises. See if you can hear it in here. It's pretty loud. She chews pretty loud. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise. What do you guys think? You like it? You don't like it? Let me know. But, alright, we're gonna bring her back home and do some editing for you guys. What do you guys like so far about TDI? Just because it's a Volkswagen? You guys like German cars? What do you like? I'd like to see my plans in the future with it. To have a little fun car, you know, slam, nicer wheels, nicer taillights, headlights, get all it cleaned up, get some rust fixed. Just take it to some cars and coffees, you know, show you guys the build. Go along with me, you know, see it from start to finish. See my other build start to finish, you know, what else are we gonna get? Because I just bought this one, and I just bought the truck a few months before that, and I sold my Cat Eye, because I had a 4-door fully loaded Cat Eye for a bit, which wasn't bad. I have some old videos of that if you want me to post them, but, you know, every year is different. But I'm 22 and I've owned about 40 vehicles so far, so what do you guys want to see? Maybe I'll buy her up. Something just hit underneath. Hopefully we didn't just lose something. TDI problems. Oh, nice. Oh, we just got a nice wave from a Mark 8. Volkswagen community. Gotta love it. Let me know if you guys like this video. What's your thoughts on it? Subscribe.